Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a Spotify playlist to SoundCloud. If you're ready, let's begin. First step, go to the tunemymusic.com website. Then, on the main page, find and click on the music platform containing the playlist you want to transfer. TuneMyMusic will ask for permission to connect to your Spotify account. Simply scroll down and click the Agree button. Next, open Spotify and copy the URL link of the playlist you want to transfer to SoundCloud. Then go back to TuneMyMusic, paste the URL here, and click the Load from URL button. Click the Choose Destination button, and then select SoundCloud. TuneMyMusic will request access to your SoundCloud account. Click the Connect and Continue button. Finally, click the Start Transfer button. It transfers very quickly. Once the transfer is complete, click the Continue button. Finally, it asks if you want any changes to your Spotify playlist to be applied to your SoundCloud playlist as well. It's entirely your choice, you can choose whichever you want. The transfer is complete. When you check your SoundCloud profile, you will see that your Spotify playlist has been transferred. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer a Spotify playlist to SoundCloud was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.